All right, this is the video walkthrough for the Reserve Index DTF Solidity Codebase, also known as Folio. Folio, Index DTF, Index R token, F token, all those terms will likely be used interchangeably throughout this video. So the main Solidity file is probably folio.sol. This is the Folio token, which is not really an ERC4626, but a vault-like token. It will handle a basket of assets, which is set by the deployer initially, and then later by a role called the trade proposer. You'll find functions like mint, redeem, management of the basket, setting of fees, setting of fee recipients, some view functions for the basket, as well as all the trading functions. So approving a trade, opening a trade, killing a trade, bidding on a trade, all that stuff. In the Folio folder, we have the Folio deployer. This is the main way that anyone should deploy a Folio, is going through this Folio deployer. You'll find a couple of functions: deploying a Folio, deploying a governed Folio, which just allows you to deploy a couple of governance contracts at the same time. Folio proxy, it's pretty self-explanatory. Every folio is deployed as a proxy. The version registry, also used for proxies. So any proxy is going to be upgradable, obviously, by the owner of the folio, but can only be upgraded to a implementation version that exists in this registry. This registry will be maintained by a separate address, a larger reserve DAO. As the Folio DAO fee registry, this is where that same reserve DAO will be setting the fees for the platform. Each folio will pull its fee numerator and denominator from this registry. There are defaults, and each folio can have its own fee set individually. The governance folder has a few governance contracts. Well, the main governance contract, which is the folio governor, Open Zeppelin governance with a few slight modifications, as well as the governance deployer will deploy a folio governor, as well as some other things like the staking token and a time lock to go along with the governor. The staking token that I just mentioned is the staking vault. Essentially, this is a 4626 with a unstaking delay managed by this unstaking manager. But yeah, the staking vault is where the ERC20 that is used as the canonical DAO token for any given folio will be staked into this, and the folio governor will pull power from the staking vault, and the folio can send a portion of its fees to the staking vault directly for stakers to claim their pro rata share of. There's some staking logic, there's reward logic, and there's some management of reward tokens, which is done by another governor contract. The unstaking manager is just where the ERC20 goes to basically realize some unstaking delay. Got 15 seconds left. And then util is just a simple versioning contract for the code base. And then you'll find all the tests in the test folder.